Connecting 1688 to Shopify allows you to source products from 1688, a popular Chinese e-commerce platform, and sell them on your Shopify store. Here's how to integrate the two. Use a third-party app or service. Since 1688 does not have a direct Shopify integration, you will need to use a third-party app to link them. Some popular apps are Oberlo, AliExpress, or other dropshipping tools that support 1688 products. You can find these apps in the Shopify App Store. Install a dropshipping app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for a dropshipping app that supports 1688 integration. Install the app and follow the setup instructions. Import products from 1688. Once the app is installed, use the import feature to search for products on 1688. Copy product details and import them into your Shopify store. Customize product listings. Edit product titles, descriptions, and pricing as necessary to match your store's branding and market. Set up shipping, taxes, and other details within Shopify. Start selling. Once the products are added to your Shopify store, you can begin selling them to customers. Manage orders through Shopify and ensure to place the same orders through 1688 suppliers.